Hello there, good to have you along. Video assistant referee technology and penalties pretty much dominated Day 3's action at Russia 2018. France were given a penalty against Australia in the early kickoff. That and a Paul Pogba strike securing the former champions a 2-1 win. Peru missed a penalty in their 1-0 defeat to Denmark. Lionel Messi also missed from the spot in Argentina's draw with World Cup debutants Iceland. Croatia, for a third straight World Cup, would you believe, got their opening goal courtesy of their opponents. A Nigeria own goal as well as a penalty from Luka Modric, giving Croatia a 2-0 win and top spot in Group D, the so-called Group of Death. Iceland's first ever point at a World Cup was thanks largely to their goalkeeper, who saved Messi's penalty. He says he anticipated such a scenario and did his homework before this match.
For me as a goalkeeper, to play for Iceland and at the first game of the World Cup, to face the best player in the world at a penalty is it's a big moment, and it's a dream come true to save it, and especially because it helped us get a big point that I hope is going to prove important for us.
Tell you what, there's lots more to look forward to on Sunday. In Group E, Costa Rica face Serbia, Brazil plays Switzerland, reigning champions Germany start their campaign against Mexico. In Group F,